Traditional build methods can often result in constraints within the design and aesthetics of your project. But what if you were given means to think differently? Polypipe believe in challenging tradition and have the tools for you to keep your projects running smoothly with no need for compromise. What if you could remove the need for secondary vent pipes and create more commercial space? Our positive air pressure attenuator has been designed to mitigate the effects of positive air fluctuations in drainage pipework systems. By increasing the flexibility of layouts, you can create greater commercial floor space for rent while saving costs in materials and installation too. What if you could install drainage stacks quicker and more efficiently by using fabricated draining systems that are delivered to site when you're ready to install them? Our industry-leading drainage solutions can be custom fabricated to not only meet the individual needs of your project, but to reduce everything from the number of staff on-site installation times, and skilled labour required to leftover waste and testing time. What if you could reduce the number of roof outlets and downpipes without reducing the amount of water you're taking off the roof? Our advanced siphonic drainage system provides rapid and highly efficient removal of water by literally sucking it away, creating a flow capacity of up to 10 times greater than an equivalent gravity-fed system. What if you could control rainwater at source and control the flow without basement tanks and pumps? Our geocellular permavoid system has been created to do just this. Its strength and integrity means it can be designed into pavement structures, roofs, roads and podiums, and allows for the removal of tanks for more commercially viable space. Not only does it reduce the depth of storage required, but it can passively reuse water for irrigation of amenity gardens. At Terrain, we've been providing solutions for tall buildings for over 50 years. Our expertise, engineering ability and innovative lead products mean that you don't have to compromise on your next tall buildings projects. Our products are available nationally, and we're the only plastic pipes manufacturer to hold BES 6001 accreditation for full traceability. We're also devoted to innovation, as demonstrated in projects like the Northampton Lift Tower, where we installed PAPA. We provide design and technical support, including BIM modelling, and have state-of-the-art training facilities which offer dedicated courses from design all the way through to installation. Just some of the ways that, with Polypipe Terrain, you can reach new heights on every project.